Hi Idol, how do you stay positive through all the negativity in this world na ibinabato sa inyo? You surround yourself with positive people, positive surroundings, positive vibes. Tapos yung pag-iisip natin, yung utak natin, about good things lang. Huwag bad. Siyempre nangyari yung bad. Pagdasal natin, meditate tayo, learn from that mistake, try and solve the problem. Stop dwelling on it, huwag nang palakihin. Solution. Kung hindi kaya, hindi naman natin problema, tulungan natin silang mahanap ng solusyon, 5 minutes and move on. Stop going back to the past. Kasi kumbaga sa chemicals ng katawan natin, after 90 seconds, yung anger wala na. Pero kung babalik-balikan na memory, sa ganito, salbahe yun. So, dala mo buong araw. So, you let go mo yung negativity. Mahirap siya. It takes time. It takes a good support system, partner, happy endorphins, working out. So, do what makes you happy. Mahalaga yung para sa'yo. Siyempre, dapat may pera ka rin para makakain ka, diba? Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, guys. God bless.